Hi there, good evening to all of you. This is Prakash, and once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you know that it is really very important for us to improve our communication skills spoken English. So, how to improve our communication skill at home? There are ample of barriers we do have in front of us, through which we are unable to improve our communication skills. We are not using any kinds of stuff through which we can rectify our problem. But as you know that it is really very important for us to improve our communication skills at this juncture. So how you will improve your communication skills? And you must be thinking that why I am using like this accent, because I have spoken with lots of friends from all over the country. You know that, so I get asked time and again to use another accent. Actually, I love Indian accent to the moon and back, but as per their request, I'm using this accent. I don't know which accent is it. Either it will be American or British, I don't know. But I am using this accent just because of them. So anyway, let me tell you how you will improve your communication skills. First thing is that you have to use different kind of free of cost application which are available on Play Store. And also you have to use lots of WhatsApp group which are available on Google. If you don't have any idea, then you can search on Google um, how to improve communication skills. Then you will find out lots of ideas from there. And if you want to use WhatsApp group, then simply you can write it down on Google that English conversation WhatsApp group. So you will find out plenty of WhatsApp group over there. So as for your choice, you have to find out a solution for it. As you know that it is really very important nowadays. And if you have good command over communication skills spoken English, then you can easily convey your message and you can easily explore all over the world whenever you want to go. So communication skills is very very important, my dear friends. There are adequate of facility available nowadays. So as for your choice, you just utilize those things. And if you don't have idea, then you can search on YouTube channel. You will find lots of ideas from there. And if you like any idea, then you can implement in your day-to-day life in order to improve your communication skills. So communication skills is very very important nowadays. So one thing you can do, you will search on YouTube channel, you will find out lots of ideas from there. Okay friends, so thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.